Probiotics are microorganisms that are naturally found in the stomach, intestines, and vagina, and they can help to improve digestion and restore normal flora. They contain different types of microorganisms such as yeast, saccharomyces boulardii, and bacteria, such as lactobacillus, bifidobacterium. Probiotics can be used to treat bowel problems, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. They can be found in foods like yogurt, milk, juices, and soy beverages, as well as in dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. It's important to check the label for information on the specific uses of the product you are using, as different products may have different uses. Some diet supplement products have been found to contain possibly harmful impurities or additives, so it's best to check with your pharmacist for more details regarding the particular brand you use. As for the Up4 Probiotics Adult 15 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms, the recommended dosage is 1 capsule daily, and it's best to take it with a meal. It's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details on the safety and effectiveness of this product. Make sure to follow the instructions on the product package. Check the label to see if the dose should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you are using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully with a special measuring device/spoon. Do not use a household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Some probiotic products contain live bacteria, such as bifidobacterium. If you are taking antibiotics, these products may not work well. Take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics, as directed. If you are using this product to treat diarrhea caused by antibiotics, do not use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. If you experience increased stomach gas or bloating, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. Additionally, it's important to seek medical attention if you experience any serious side effects, such as signs of infection or a serious allergic reaction. Remember that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your healthcare provider if you notice any other effects. Always consult your doctor for medical advice about side effects and reporting them. Before starting to take this product, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have certain health conditions such as prolonged diarrhea, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal or urinary tract infections, or diabetes, it's important to consult your doctor before using this product. Also, if you have surgery scheduled, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using this product with your doctor. Remember to consult your doctor before starting to breastfeed if you are using this product. As always, it's essential to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new medication or supplement. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Up4 Probiotics Adult 15 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms. This can affect how your medications work and may increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics include antibiotics, antifungals such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nystatin. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is showing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical help immediately. In the U.S., you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Be sure to attend all your medical appointments and laboratory tests as directed. It's important to note that some brands of Up4 Probiotics Adult 15 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms may include additional ingredients like fiber or inulin. If you have any concerns about the ingredients in the brand you are using, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Do not take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Up4 Probiotics Adult 15 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms, it's important to follow the instructions on the product package. Some probiotics may need to be refrigerated, while others do not. If you're unsure about how to store your probiotics, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's also important to keep all medications, including probiotics, out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding expired or unused probiotics, it's best to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal methods. Remember not to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.